Dinosaurs were a diverse group of reptiles that lived millions of years ago during the Mesozoic era, which is often referred to as the Age of Dinosaurs. Here are some key details about dinosaurs. 1. Diversity. Dinosaurs were incredibly diverse, with thousands of species identified so far. They varied greatly in size, shape, and behavior. Some were small, bird-like creatures, while others were massive, weighing several tons. 2. Types of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are generally classified into two main groups, Saurischia and Ornithischia. The Saurischia includes the theropods, for example Tyrannosaurus rex, Velociraptor, and the sauropodomorphs, for example Brachiosaurus, Diplodocus. The Ornithischia includes the herbivorous dinosaurs like Triceratops and Stegosaurus. 3. Extinction. The non-avian dinosaurs went extinct about 66 million years ago, at the end of the Cretaceous period. The cause of their extinction is believed to be a combination of factors, including an asteroid impact and volcanic activity. 4. Birds and dinosaurs. Birds are the modern-day descendants of a group of theropod dinosaurs. So, technically, birds are a type of dinosaur that survived the mass extinction event. 5. Fossils. Our understanding of dinosaurs largely comes from the fossil record. Fossils are the preserved remains of ancient organisms, and they can provide valuable information about dinosaurs' anatomy, behavior, and environment. 6. Paleontology. The scientific study of dinosaurs is called paleontology. Paleontologists use fossil evidence to piece together the history of these ancient creatures and their world. 7. Geological time periods. The Mesozoic era, when dinosaurs lived, is divided into three periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Each period saw the rise and fall of different dinosaur groups. 8. Feeding habits. Dinosaurs had varied feeding habits. Some were carnivorous and preyed on other animals, while others were herbivorous and primarily consumed plants. Some were omnivores, eating both plants and animals. 9. Social behavior. Some dinosaurs are believed to have exhibited social behavior and lived in herds, while others may have been solitary creatures. 10. Paleoecology. The study of dinosaurs' ecosystems and their interactions with other organisms is known as paleoecology. This helps us understand the environments in which these creatures thrived. 11. Feathered dinosaurs. In recent years, a growing body of evidence suggests that many theropod dinosaurs, especially those closely related to birds, had feathers. This indicates that some dinosaurs were much more bird-like in appearance than previously thought. 12. Gigantic herbivores. Some dinosaurs were massive herbivores that had to consume vast amounts of plant matter to sustain their enormous bodies. Sauropods like Argentinosaurus and Brachiosaurus are examples of these gigantic herbivores. 13. Tallest and heaviest. The tallest and heaviest dinosaur known to date is Argentinosaurus, estimated to have reached lengths of up to 100 feet, 30 meters, and weighed around 100 tons. For comparison, that's as heavy as 14 African elephants combined. 14. Fastest dinosaurs. The fastest dinosaurs were the smaller, agile theropods. The exact speed of these dinosaurs is challenging to determine, but some estimates suggest that dinosaurs like Velociraptor and Deinonychus could have reached speeds of up to 40, 50 miles per hour, 64, 80 kilometers per hour. 15. First dinosaur discovery. The term dinosaur was coined by Sir Richard Owen in 1842. It comes from the Greek words deinos, terrible, and sauros, lizard. The first scientifically recognized dinosaur fossils were discovered in England during the early 19th century. 16. Dinosaur eggs and nests. Fossilized dinosaur eggs and nesting sites have been found, providing valuable insights into dinosaur reproduction and parental care. Some dinosaurs, like Maiasaura, are believed to have cared for their young. 17. Marine reptiles. Not all prehistoric reptiles were dinosaurs. During the Mesozoic era, there were various marine reptiles, such as ichthyosaurs, plesiosaurs, and mosasaurs, which ruled the seas. 18. Dinosaur tracks. Fossilized footprints or trackways of dinosaurs have been discovered around the world. These trackways provide information about dinosaur locomotion and behavior. 19. The Age of Reptiles. The Mesozoic era, which spanned from approximately 252 million to 66 million years ago, is often referred to as the Age of Reptiles because of the dominance and diversity of reptiles, including dinosaurs, during that time. 20. Dinosaur communication. While we can't hear them today, some scientists speculate that dinosaurs may have used vocalizations or other forms of communication to interact with one another. 21. Dinosaur art and pop culture. Dinosaurs have captured the imagination of people worldwide, inspiring numerous books, movies, and artworks. Iconic films like Jurassic Park have brought dinosaurs to life on the big screen, sparking even more interest in these ancient creatures. 22. Dinosaur evolution. Dinosaurs evolved from earlier reptiles, and their lineage can be traced back to the late Permian period. The first dinosaurs likely appeared during the late Triassic period. 23. Feathered dinosaurs and the origin of birds. The discovery of feathered dinosaurs has provided critical evidence supporting the theory that birds evolved from theropod dinosaurs. Archaeopteryx is an early example of a feathered dinosaur with bird-like features. 24. Dinosaurs around the world. Dinosaurs were not limited to one region of the world. Fossil evidence has been found on every continent, from the icy polar regions to the scorching deserts. 25. Dinosaur coprolites. Coprolites are fossilized dinosaur feces, and they offer insights into the diets and digestive systems of various dinosaurs. The study of dinosaurs is an ever-evolving field, and every new discovery adds to the richness of our understanding of these magnificent creatures that once roamed the earth. Their legacy continues to captivate and inspire awe in people of all ages. If you have any more questions or specific topics you'd like to know more about, feel free to ask.